and welcome to the Hotshot Haven. If you're new to the channel, we'd ask you to like, comment, subscribe. And we have a motto here, time over everything. We trouble like we trapping. It's been a really good year for the company. And I'd like to share our newest procurement, if you will, of equipment. Take a moment, take a peek. You might like it. I don't know. You just might like it. And if you're interested in some of this merch, hey, link in the description. Time over everything. Struggle like we trapping. You already know what I say about here. And it's